The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Ariola, had in November 2022 sworn in 307 justices to have.
All right, we are here again. Welcome to Chukwu Augustine's TV. We are the best. Now, I want to give you a rundown analysis of what has been going on, what has been playing on during these tribunal cases. First, there was an issue with televising the proceedings from the court. The judges declined the request. But now, because the judgment will be delivered, they have agreed to televise. Okay, no problem. So many things has been going on in the court which is not displayed. But watch this video and hear what has been playing on in the court and follow, in case anything would happen at the end, so that you will know why. Some persons are already saying that judgment will be given in favor of this or this because of technology or this one. But you have to watch this video and see. We don't want violence in Nigeria. We don't want military coup. We want a good governance. Watch this video and then don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you very much.
The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Ariola, had in November 2022 sworn in 307 justices to handle the 2023 general election petitions, while an additional 39 were added on May 25, totaling 346. Their job is to sit and deliver judgment before September 16. 5 of the judges are on the panel hearing the presidential election petition. They are Justice Haruna Samani, who is the chairman, Justice Stephen Ada, Justice Mansurat Balaji Yusuf, Justice Moses Ugo, and Justice Abba Mohammed. A senior advocate of Nigeria, Chris Uche, is leading the legal team of the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Atiku Abubakar, while another senior advocate of Nigeria, Wale Olanipekun, heads the legal team of President Bola Tinubu. The incumbent Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, leads the legal team of the All Progressives Congress, and a senior advocate of Nigeria, Levi Uzouku, is the head of the legal team for the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi. 5 political parties lodged petitions against the victory of President Tinubu, including the PDP and LP. Others are Action People's Party, APP, and the Allied People's Movement, APM, and the Action Alliance, AA. However, shortly after the commencement of the pre-hearing session in May, the APP and AA withdrew their petitions. Some of the key issues contended by the petitioners include the academic qualification of the president, the alleged indictment of the president in the United States, and the alleged dual citizenship of the president. The petitioners also claimed that President Tinubu and his vice, Kashim Shettima, are not eligible to contest the presidential poll due to the alleged double nomination of Shettima. The petitioners also claimed that since President Tinubu failed to secure 25% of votes cast in the Federal Capital Territory, he should not have been declared the winner of the February 25 election. Mr. Peter also based his petition on the failure of INEC to upload election results on the INEC result viewing portal, the IREV, in real time using the bimodal voter accreditation machine, the BVAS. His demands before the court include retrieval of the certificate of return issued to President Tinubu and issue a fresh one to him. Alternatively, issue an order cancelling the election and compelling INEC to conduct a fresh election without President Tinubu and the APC. The petition of the Allied People's Movement is based on the alleged double nomination of Vice President Kashim Shettima. The case of the People's Democratic Party is quite similar to that of the Labour Party. The presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar, is asking that it should be determined that the president was not duly elected by the majority of lawful votes cast in the election. The PDP also believes that the president did not satisfy the requirements of the Electoral Act 2022 and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999. The PDP candidate wants the court to declare him the winner of the election, because he believes he secured the majority of lawful votes cast during the election. In the alternative, Atiku is asking the court for an order directing INEC to conduct a second election, a runoff between him and President Tinubu. Atiku also alleges that President Tinubu is unfit to lead Nigeria over an alleged indictment for drug-related offenses in the United States. However, the APC and its candidate challenged the competence of the petition of Peter Obi, arguing that he was not a valid member of the Labour Party at the time of his nomination as the party's presidential candidate, contrary to the Electoral Act. The proceeding kicked off on May 8 as the petitioners and respondents called their witnesses alongside loads of documents tendered to prove their case, while an attempt to broadcast the court sitting live was turned down. A 5-member panel of the court reserved judgment on August 1 after hearing the final written addresses from all the counsels in the suit. The panel is mandated to conclude proceedings and deliver judgment within 180 days, and the panel has Wednesday, September 6, 2023, to deliver judgment. Whatever the outcome of the judgment, the Supreme Court will serve as the final arbiter for any of the aggrieved party to seek further redress.